points are printed, there can be a build-up of heat due to the nozzle being in the same area, causing ugly prints. For example, take a look at this cone shape in Tinkercad. Towards the top of the model, the nozzle will be printing in a very small area, which will build up a lot of heat and deform the model. To allow the layers to effectively cool, you could duplicate the object. This means that the printer will jump from one object to the other, allowing the layers to cool more efficiently. In this first print, we're creating a single cone. The bottom layers are perfectly fine. As the print reaches the narrow point, you can see some slight deformities as the heat from the nozzle radiates onto the model. Let's see the results when two cones are printed side by side. Again, the bottom layers are perfectly fine. And as you can see, the printer jumps from one model to the other, providing extra cooling time and less deformities. Here are the results. The model on the right was a single print, and on the left is one of the cones that was printed side by side with another. As an example, let's say you were designing a sailing boat. You can see how the top of the model is sharp and narrow, therefore it could be beneficial to print two boats side by side to allow for cooling.